Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Audacity software. And in today's video, I will show you on how to compress or reduce the audio file size using your Audacity software. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you select your file in Audacity. Having selected your file, next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on Effects tab. Under the Effects tab, go to Volume and Compression right here. Then go ahead and make sure you look for compressor right here. So go ahead and click on that. And this window here is going to pop up. And this is where you can adjust the settings as far as compress is concerned. So you can turn down as much as possible. So I'm going to try and take a look at about 18, minus 18 threshold right here. Then right here, you can turn down this also, and then turn this also down. Then you can also reduce the ratio right here. So once you are adjusting some of these key right here, it's going to be reflected in the graph. Then you can come down to knock ratio right here, down a little bit, then attack minute right here, turn down this a little bit. Then you can click on preview to listen to the quality of the audio. So once you are done with the settings right here, so you can see, so go ahead and click on apply. Now you have compressed the audio file without any stress. So lastly, go ahead and export your file. So for that, go to file, go ahead and click on export audio, then export to computer. Then go ahead and choose your file location. So I'm going to save this particular file in my desktop right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on browse. Then I'm going to go ahead and save it in desktop. Then I'm going to call this compress. Okay, compress. Then I'm going to make the file to be MP3 file. Then click on save right here. Then here you come down below right here and hit on export. Now successfully export, so I can minimize, and then we have the file to be compressed right here, just like what you see right here. So this is the compressed file. So this is the compressed file right here, which is about 1.24 megabyte right now, and this is the original file size, which is about 1.32 megabytes. So you can go on and control this element right here in order to continue to drastically reduce the file size. Go back to effect right here, and then go ahead and click on volume, and then come back to compression right here. You can still walk and around right here, and then adjust the compression right here, and then you get a very cool result as far as compressing your file in Audacity is concerned. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.